Thanks, Rebecca. Well, last year's hurricanes left dozens of Venice homeowners wondering how they could possibly rebuild. Now the city is trying something different to help, and it's a solution that could spread to other parts of the Bay Area as well. News Channel 8's Allison Henning is live from Venice Bay Mobile Home Park to explain what are we talking about here, Allison?
Well, Stacey, city officials say that tiny homes and container homes could replace manufactured homes that had to be leveled in this neighborhood right here. Right now, it's something dozens of people who lost everything are considering, but their communities will have the final say. Venice Bay Park is made up of almost 80 homes. Following Hurricanes Helene and Milton, almost everyone suffered impacts. So far, at least 17 people here have requested demolition permits. Morris Peterson expects to see even more in the weeks and months to come. He's currently living in an RV after losing virtually everything he owns in the storms.
It's devastating I put everything I had into what I had and left me with very little resources. So now I'm at 64 years old. I'm starting all over again.
Mayor Nick Pashota says many residents are finding themselves in a challenging situation. He says the city is working to give people options as they figure out what comes next.
These folks are devastated. They don't have the means to come back, strong. So we're trying to help them get there without them having to spend inordinate amounts of money.
City staff recently shared with mobile home communities that residents can replace their damaged mobile homes with tiny homes or container homes without any zoning changes. But each individual community will have to decide whether this is something they want to allow or not.
It's an option, but we don't want it to get too far afield. We want to try to keep the integrity of what we have already. Keep it nice.
And this Venice Bay community I'm standing in here actually has a meeting tomorrow afternoon. The city is expected to be there, and they do expect this topic to come up. As for whether or not this is something they're going to allow in this community, that is still to be determined. Reporting live in Venice, Allison Henning, 8 on your side.